Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to update gold trading. For most of gold traders are asking to me, so gold buy or sell. So I'm going to getting update with the what is going on gold, good upside or downside. So my telegram link is below. You can join with accurate gold analysis signal. So this is the level. So several times touch this level. That's the strong resistance level 2045 2050 level. I am in for our chart goal. That is goal. Try to break this level. 2050 is the important level. So that is the strong resistance level. Also, that is the break to the upside. That is I am hoping. So I am seeing this famous pattern technically picture. I am see the famous pattern. That is the famous reversal pattern, head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder. You can see this is the left shoulder and the head, and is the right shoulder is there. That is the head and shoulder pattern. This pattern always not continue with the reversal pattern. It should be inverse pattern also. That is the head and shoulder pattern is continuing. This is the technical picture. I am seeing this for our chart goal. So that is the pattern. So I am seeing, so price is try to the break to the upside. So that is the left shoulder. You can see I am in a 4-hour chart goal. So that is the left shoulder is there. So you can see that is the pattern. Left shoulder is there. That is the left shoulder, and the head, and that is the right shoulder. This is the pattern I am seeing. So technically, so US GDP is coming tomorrow in this week. So currently GDP report 5.2% is the current GDP report. So if GDP report not increase above 5.2%, that will help to gold demand. So that is the I am seeing the break to the upside and continuing to the 2070 60 level. So wait for the breakout. That is the I am seeing, technically seeing. So that is you should wait and the retest to get the buy trade this level. So and also that can be going to the upside and that can be to the downside. So breakout to the downside, wait, retest, and that is dope. That is the your sell trade. So wait for the breakout and also wait for the retest for this level. 2050 is the important level. This is the psychological level for gold trading. So several times try to break this level, but is still not ability to break this level 2050 level. So wait for breakout and retest. That is the main focus is the 2050 level, and the GDP quarterly report is there that you should touch with this report. So get the trade for the smaller time frame confirmation. Risk management is the more important for gold trading and also other trading. Also US dollar is the key currency, major currency for gold trading. So that is the picture I am seeing technically. So thank you very much.